Hi friends, my name is Rishka Lakshmi. I am studying 4th class. This is my 50th video. Thanks for your support. Today I am explaining about Roman numerals and their rules. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 were first used to represent numbers by the Hindus and then by the Arabs. These numerals are called as Hindu-Arabic numerals. Roman numerals organized in ancient Rome. These numerals are written using combination of 7 symbols. The 7 basic symbols are shown in the table. Roman number, Hindu-Arabic number. I, 1. V, 5. X, 10. L, 50. C, 100. D, 500. M, 1000. There are no zeros in Roman numerals. Roman numerals are made up by adding or subtracting these symbols. 3 rules for writing the Roman numerals. First one, rule of repetition. Second one, rule of addition. Third one, rule of subtraction. Rule 1, rule of repetition. When a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. For example, M is equal to 1000. MM is equal to 1000 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2000. MMM is equal to 1000 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3000. Second one, symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. For example, 1 is equal to I, 2 is equal to I, 3 is equal to I. We cannot write 4 as I. Third one, symbols V, L and D are never repeated. That is, symbols for 5, 50 and 500 cannot be repeated. For example, that means we do not write 10 by repeating V. We write X. Rule 2, rule of addition. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. For example, Xi is equal to X value is 10. I value is 1. By this rule, we have to add these two numbers. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Rule 3, rule of subtraction. First one, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. For example, Xc. X value is 10. C value is 100. By this rule, we have to subtract these two numbers. Xc is equal to 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Second one, the symbols V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. For example, 95 is equal to 100 minus 5 is equal to VC is wrong. 95 is equal to 90 plus 5 is equal to XCV is right. Third one, I, X and C are used to subtract. There are just combinations. IV. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. IX. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. XL. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. XC. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. CD. 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. CM. 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900. For example, this is the Roman number. We have to convert the Roman number into Hindu Arabic number. First we have to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. In thousands place we have to write M. Hundreds place CM. Tens place XXX. Ones place II. M value is 1000. CM is equal to 1000 minus 100. XXX is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10. II is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 1000 is equal to 900 is equal to 30 is equal to 2. We have to add this. 2, 3, 9, 1. The total is 1932 is equal to 1932. For example, this is Hindu Arabic number. We have to convert Hindu Arabic number into Roman number. We have to write 3817 is equal to 3000 plus 800 plus 10 plus 7. 3000 is equal to M. 800 is equal to D. C. 10 is equal to X. 7 is equal to VII. Total is DCC XVII is equal to DCC XVII. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for getting new updates. Thank you.